Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to lock Facebook app. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, press on Facebook app, then tap on press. Okay, then this option, edit home screen and share app. Then third option, require Face ID. Just click and require Face ID and hide and require Face ID. Just tap on first option, require Face ID, then click and check your Face ID, then OK, just click, then your Face ID and open Facebook app, then log in your Facebook account, then open Facebook, then check your Face ID and unlock. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.